Hey guys, it's Kathy Heath. I don't know if you can see behind me this overgrown area back here. Used to be the beach where my children and I went many times during the summer while they were growing up. And this is just a couple years worth of not being taken care of as a beach. And it's just amazing to me how just a little bit of neglect can make things just fall apart or go back to nature in this case. Pretty interesting. I'm going to take you for a walk a little bit closer and show you some of the things that I've been looking at while I've been out here today. Okay, so I just wanted to come out here and kind of show what can happen in a very short time when the funds have been pulled and this is no longer a state park. Well, I guess it's a state park, but it's not kept up. I guess that's the word. But this is the beach where we used to spend many hours in the summertime. If you could look how it's just going back to nature. All of it is going back to nature. Sad, really, when you think about it, and yet, well, that's the way things are, you know? When things aren't kept up and you don't continue to maintain things, then this is what you get. This is what you get. For those of you who don't know what Lake Erie looks like, that's it. In all of her glory, as far as the eye can see. It's kind of chilly out here today. There's an east wind. Wow. I remember my kids used to play over there on those rocks. Now you can hardly see them.